So in this video, we're going to see how I built this system, what I call Spider Tupenzi revenue inbox controller. Okay, forget Spider and Tupenzi. Revenue inbox controller. This one is connected to my email account, and it is always watching if any reply coming from my client or maybe from my outbound emails. If any email comes in, it will check that email, it will level it according to the reply or according to the conversation history, and it will update our Google Sheet. And this revenue classification engine, this one is inbuilt make.com agent. It will decide whether a draft should be created or a Slack notification should be sent to our team. This is the knowledge base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the exact same system just here so that we know how I built it. So let's get started. First, let's change this. Okay, we can't do that. Let's add a watch email module right here. Add a module. By the way, this one is live, and things to make that if you now edit, you can go back to your previous version of your system. So this is really cool. I'm going to add a watch email module here. I'm going to connect my email. Let's change this to my another email here. This one, yeah, this one is better. So no, let's connect this one. Let's connect support and Tupenzi this one, and let's first let's see how I set up this email. Simply filter, inbox, level is empty, criteria all messages, mark email messages, read when fetch, no, limit 10. I'll keep as it is. All right, so let's take this clock here. Now it will work from here. Simple inbox, was it inbox? Yes. Okay, level is empty, all, no, limit 10. Okay, we're going to click save. From now on, click save. Brilliant. So next up, we are going to add this one, revenue classification engine, and this is built-in make.com AI agent. It will use model like GPT 5.2, you can see here, and using OpenAI resource, of course, and I'm keeping the same instruction as you can see here. Okay, I'm going to give this instruction on the description. You can copy and edit according to your preference. Okay, maybe you can change this email from this email to your own email. Okay, so I'm going to use run an agent module here. Click plus, make AI agent, run an agent. Now I need to configure this properly. So what was it? Does my OpenAI connection? Okay, I'm going to change this to I'll leave it as it is. Module will be 5.2. okay, I'm using this model. And now for the instruction, I'm just sorry, I don't need this. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste it to our new agent. Let's copy whole thing. So by the way, what it does is it will watch your every email that comes into your email, and it will classify that email, level it inside your Gmail account. If the hold on a minute, I'm going to show how it will level. So if you can see here, I created some levels here. If it is a newsletter, it will level that email as newsletter. If not interested email, then it will label it like this. If there is spam, if agent thinks after getting a reply that a follow-up is required immediately, it will label as follow-up required. If you previously did outreach to someone and that guy or that company replied, it will label as outreach reply. You can see all the labels you can create like this. How to create label? Just click plus and you can click plus here, and you can name your label here, interested or urgent, maybe urgent, like this. Okay, I'm not going to create new labels here. So these are my labels. You can create similar labels like this. So let's go back to our agent here. So for input, what did I do? Let me see. Okay, instruction for, yeah, for input, you need to map this from previous email module here. So I'm going to copy this exactly and input. Okay, I'm going to map full text body here. Where is it? Yeah, full text body, and I'm going to delete the first one because those thing with red outline, these are from this our previous email module. It should be the whole red and white text. Okay, and subject should be our this subject, from name and from email is here, from email, and then we have from name here. Okay, and then to name to email. Okay, where is it? To, yeah, you need to drop it down here, then you need to map email, then again clear this and need to map name here. You can see now it's done. So we are going to click save. Is it done? Let's see. I'm going to toggle this advanced setting on, and conversation ID is thread ID. Yeah, if you map this, the agent will know if there is any previous conversation between you and that prospect. Then we have, okay, advanced setting. Okay, click save. Let's see what we have here more. Maximum data structure, response primary level, response structure primary level. Data structure. Oh, I need to add items here. Let's add items. Okay, new item. Item's name should be primary level here. Text required, yes. Multi-line, no. Okay, hope this is going to be perfect. Okay, and name is primary level. Text required, yes. Multi-line, no. Is that it? Let's click save. Let's see what is going on here. Yeah, another one is action required, and this one is boolean and empty and yes. Okay, let's try this. Add another item. This one is text type is boolean and this is empty, required, yes. Click save. Let's check again. By the way, if you don't understand anything, make sure if you are using ChatGPT, you can always ask. I always use ChatGPT to help me if I am confused at something. So we have another item here, revenue score, and this is text required, yes. Multi-line, no. Okay, so it is, sorry, what, I didn't copy. Okay, let's copy it again. Primary level action required, done. Revenue score, this is text format. Okay, this one. Revenue score text required, yes. Multiline, no. So we're going to click save. Okay, for now I'm going to click cross the new one. Okay, what we have here, okay, we have risk level here. It is text and required. Okay, risk level text required, save. What we have more, there's so many. Okay, risk level, then we have SLM minutes, add item, SLM minutes. This one is should be number and required, yes. Click save. Okay, and another one, okay, Slack sent, draft created, then Slack sent, boolean required. Okay, Slack sent, type should be boolean and required, yes. Click save. Oh, we got some more. Hang on. Okay, draft created, boolean and required. This is the last one. Okay, this is boolean and required, yes. Okay, so that's it. We need to add items so that it works on those items. This make AI agent works on those items, and you need to give input and give instruction and map conversation ID here as thread ID, and sorry, thread ID as conversation ID here. I put limit as 10, and you can see response format is data structure here, and response structure you need to put this so that this agent work on these items. Next up, we're going to click save. We can see we have here 3 Google Sheet modules here, one update row, one search row, and one edit row on the left side. And this knowledge base, this is important. Make a agent, it should know about your business, what you do, what you offer. And to create a knowledge base, you can use ChatGPT or Claude or any other LLM. And what you need to do, you need to describe your business to that chat, and it will give you and ask for a knowledge base, and it will give you the perfect knowledge base. So to add a knowledge base, create knowledge here. In this case, I'm going to upload my knowledge base. I'm going to save it on my desktop again. By the way, I'm going to give you the knowledge base format, or maybe this one, so that you can edit this according to your preference and change the name and email or some other stuff, so that you can use the exact same prompt as knowledge base prompt, or maybe this knowledge base, sorry. So I'm going to add a knowledge base here as a text format. You can use Google Doc or other PDF format. So this is my text format knowledge base, and I'm going to use this, and already exists. I'm just going to rename it so that I can use it again. So let's rename it, rename maybe knowledge base 2.0. okay, now I can use this, I guess. Choose file 2.0 txt, save. Here you go. Now we have a knowledge base in our system. So every time make AI agent will run through, and it will know what we do, what we offer, and how to respond. Next, we are going to add update email level here. So let's create edit tool. It's going to update email levels. The add tools, Gmail. You need to find update email level here. Yeah, here update email levels. And for tool description, okay, let's click save now. Now we are going to use this here. Just copy this description and click save. You need to configure this. It's already connected. Let the agent decide. I'll leave as it is. So you can see I want my agent to decide how to level this email that I got in my inbox. I just need to map my message ID here. Instead of I'm going to add message ID here, and next up for levels and stuff I'm going to use AI agent to decide. Click save. So it will now level our email as urgent, maybe not urgent, maybe that email from newsletter or some other unnecessary guys. Okay, next up we have smart response composer, created draft. So we also want our agent to create a draft if the email need to be responded. Okay, let's create a draft module. Let's do add create a draft. Where is it? Create a draft email. I can actually keep these as let the agent decide. Let's see how I map here. Subject, yeah, I did we are going to use our agent to decide the body content and decide the subject line and other stuff. And for the two, we need to map exactly the email we got. So let's map to, where is it? Yeah, we're going to hard code it. We're going to hard code this one as this email, and we're going to click save. This agent already is a game changer, because once you got a reply or an email into your email inbox, this agent will go through that email. It will try to find if they have any conversation. It will level that email. Also, it will create a beautiful draft according to your conversation. Also, another thing, when creating drafts, it needs to see if there is any other previous conversation, right? And for that reason, we need to give access to our agent to see our CRM, if there is any previous thread or any other conversation that happened earlier, so that it can create a very personalized email draft so that you can send later on. So we're going to use our Google Sheet as our CRM here. We're going to first up, we're going to use Google Sheet update a row, then search a row, and I'm going to add one by one. Let's add tool, Google Sheet, search a row. Search method from all, and spreadsheet ID, you need to find your spreadsheet ID from here. This is my Google Sheet, and you can the ID number is from d slash, after d slash to slash edit. This part is your Google Sheet ID. Just copy this and paste it here. Sheet name, your sheet, and let's see what I did on filter step here. Is it a search module? Yes, search module. For search module, what I did, okay, filter, let agent decide. All other thing is agent decide, and the tool description should be like this. Okay, always for tool description and other stuff, you can use ChatGPT to generate your according to your criteria and stuff. Okay, I'm going to click save, filter, let agent decide, let agent decide, click save. Okay, I'm going to bring it here. It looks like octopus already. Anyway, then we need to add updated row module here. Let's click add tools, Google Sheet, then update a row. Is it updated row? Yeah, update a row. We need to,
it's 15 hours.
Okay, we need to copy our Google Sheet ID again here and paste it here. Where is it? Search method from all, and then spreadsheet ID, you need to hard code it here, and map your sheet name here. Map, not map, you need to select it. Row number, let agent decide. I left all the columns here. Only thing I needed to update is the thread history, because this agent look for the thread history if we had any conversation before and stuff. That one we need to give access to this agent, and we want our agent to hardcore, we want our agent to update that column. So for thread history, we'll let our agent to decide, and our row number. Okay, this one here, updated row. Row number, let agent decide, and where is thread history? Yeah, let agent decide, click save. Beautiful. Now we need to do one more thing. If the email is new to our inbox and agent thinks this is a prospect, this can be a prospect, this can be a lead, that email and that data should be stored in our CRM or in our Google Sheet. In this case, we need to add a row here. You can see we are going to add a row module here. We are going to add a row module here. So Google Sheet, add a row, same thing. Now we need to connect our, we need to copy our ID. Search method should be from all. Spreadsheet ID should be hard coded here. Then you need to select your sheet name here. I'm going to let agent decide, date, agency name, website, email sent to, phone maybe, country, status, notes, maybe reason and confidence. So I'll click save. You can choose other option if you want according to your model. So that's it. And only one thing is remaining here is Slack. Once CRM is updated, draft is created, the email is labeled as urgent or non-urgent or whatever it is, you need to get notified to your Slack. So we are going to add a Slack, send a message here so that you get notified into your Slack account. So my Slack account is already connected, and text you can map, let AI agent decide. And for tool description here, of course, you can generate from your ChatGPT, from AI, because if you are using make.com, you of course you are using ChatGPT or Claude or any other, maybe Gemini. So this is cool. Tool description, save. So these two things you can see here, they are the same thing. They are these two system here, they are the same thing. I just designed it like this. Like this one is comes here, this one is, I feel like this one is like spider, that's why I named it as spider. So that's it. It's more like octopus, not spider. It's all right. So this is it. You can always update. You can add more tools here. You can add more tools, maybe your Airtable, maybe other modules like HTTP, JSON, Google Doc, PandaDoc, Google Drive, any other module, and you can let this AI agent to write those column, or maybe write those messages and stuff. This is really killer one. I mean, you don't need to manually see all your messages, go through, level it. This AI agent will level that email you got into your inbox, and if it is urgent, it will give a notification to your Slack account. It will create a draft reply, or you can straight away, it can send a reply to that prospect or lead. So this is it. Hope this tutorial help you, and I'm going to give you the knowledge base prompt and the prompt in AI agent in the description. I'll give the blueprint so that you can use for your business. So thank you. See you on the next video.